everyone, welcome to the channel of Kanak Infosystems. In this video, I'll explain what is smart button in Odoo, why it is useful, and how to create your own smart button step by step using a very simple example of hospital patient and their appointments. So, a smart button in Odoo is a small button that appear at the top of the form view. It usually displays some useful count like total records, actions, and when clicked, open a related list or a form view. Example like you have seen button like in a sales, in customers. In customers form view, you will see a sales, invoice, lot or a serial numbers or their meetings. If we open a sales, it display their customers sales order like this. These are called the smart buttons. So why smart buttons are useful? It makes it easier to quickly access related records. They show important information as a count, like how many orders, how many tasks, without opening anything, as it show the number of count on the button. Now let's see example. Here two models. One is hospital.patient to store the patient information and second is hospital.appointment to store the appointment related to the patient. Each patient have multiple appointments and we want to add a smart button on a patient form to show how many appointments that patient has. And when we click open all related appointments, here appointment IDs connect with one to many relation with hospital.appointment model. It use patient ID field on a appointment model to know which appointment belongs to which patient, and appointment count is used to count number of appointment of that specific patient. It is a compute field. It runs compute appointment count method to count how many appointment id that patient has. Now this method open a window showing only appointments for the selected patient using domain filter, and it open a list and a form view. Now for a view, we make a form and list view for a both patient and appointment model. Here in a form view of the patient model, div name equals to button box is a special section in Odoo of a form view used to place a smart button at the top. Here we use button tag becomes our smart button name equals to action view appointment method calls py method when button is clicked. Type equals to object means it's calling a method from the current record. Class equals to OE state apply Odoo's default smart button style. Here icon equals to FS stethoscope which add a nice icon for the medical look. Here invisible attribute is used to hide button if there are no appointments are scheduled. Inside the button tag, field name equals to appointment count, widget equals to state information which shows the total number of appointment as a badge on the button with the label as a appointments. In short, this whole block add a clickable smart button that shows appointment count and open those records on click. Now let's see how this works. I'll go to hospital in patient menu. Now I create a one patient. Right now, we don't see any smart button on a form view because this patient has no appointment yet. Now I'll go to appointment menu, create a new one. I'll fill appointment reason and choose same patient, appointment date, apply. Now save. Now I'll go to the back to the patient record and open that form view. See, the smart button appointment now is visible at the top and it shows one as a count. When I click on this button, it open a list of all appointment related to this patient. You can see the one we just created. I'll add one more appointment for this patient. Now go back to the same as a patient, choose that patient form view, and now you can see the two appointments are scheduled. See, So that's how smart button appears only when needed, show correct count, open related records, and makes navigation super smooth. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Udu tutorials. Thanks for watching.